What a fantastic morning. However, not so fantastic is the 4-degree ambient temperature at the moment. Not so good considering I'm having to wear leather bits rather than warm textiles. It's a bit chilly to say the least. But anyway, I'm making something out of nothing. Da-da, Santa Pod.
Meanwhile, at base camp, preparations are underway and finished.
Yeah, certainly not many out-and-out road bikes here. Still, be a fantastic time. It's all against the clock. Oh boy. Oh, feels good. Missed gear, but not bad for a first run, I don't think. Oh, I did pull a leg muscle though. Ouch. What a rush. Oh my goodness. I think let's go straight to the queue again. And thankfully it seems that I don't need to worry about wheeling too much. I filled up before I came and the preload on the shock is quite low for me normally anyway, so that does prevent the wheeling and yeah. Run 2, and only about 20 minutes after the first one. It's going to be a good day, but don't fancy my chances against that. Nothing got with you that time. Okay, maybe I do need to keep an eye on the rear brake. That was bad, but lesson learned. There's definitely more to come. Oh, good choice, sir, for drag racing. Alright, now I'll do this run. Have a piss break. Jobs are good in. Yeah, I don't fancy my chances. Smells of rubber. Too cautious on the start, but good run. Whew. I think I've toned out any misshifts. I'm making sure I just weight the shifter before we go doink. That is normally how I do it when I'm consciously doing it, so I just got to make sure I'm doing that all the time. And start, I just need to, yeah, figure that out. But other than that, come on! Oh, fantastic bike. Let's go for a quick rest though. How about that for a bit of kit though?
Yeah, poor Porsche. Good showing by the scooter. Go on. Let's see how I compare to a S-Valve R. I'm pretty close to that ZZR.
Well, still in the morning. Time for run number 4. I can go against that, I'll be pretty happy. Left lane for the first time. Don't fancy my chances, so let's just concentrate on for myself. No good. That one definitely won't be, but I still think a sub 11 time should be the target for today. Just got to do it right. And so the afternoon begins. It looks like I'm up against a supercharged Harley with 220 horsepower and pretty similar foot-pounds as Orc. Yeah. Maybe a little bit cautious on the start, but that was good. I don't think I was too far behind the Harley. Nah, happy with that. Get in there. Don't think that was sub 10. Sub 10? What about sub 11? I don't think it was sub 11, but definitely I reckon that was got to be the best one yet.
I'm going to run you two on singles if that's okay.
Yep.
Right hand lane while they do a little bit of work in this lane.
No problem. Thank you. Right. Again, the calm, smooth approach, definitely the one for me to go for. Fifth gear, probably one of the slower ones. It's alright though, I didn't get the best of starts. Judging by the time, I reckon there's enough for one more run. What is that? Last run of the day. Let's see how we get on. Right. Looks like up against the Jigsaw. Might as well wait in the shade. That was good. Good day. Good day. I am very surprised how close this bike can get with old numbnuts on it here compared with inline 4,000. Yeah, quite happy with myself, especially where I have no aids to get me going. So yeah, pretty pleased. Didn't get the perfect run, but you never will. See what the time is. Thank you very much. 11.3. Yeah, fantastic. Thank you, Santa Pod. Good day. Oh, the side of the tyre. Forgot what that feels like. Oh, yeah, I've done it. That's that box ticked. Oh, yeah. And as we make our way back to Leicestershire, that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.